before I move on to what Citi has to say about the ETF fund flows, just a quick background as to the FIIs outflow in May, where in May it was around 25,259 crores, and in June so far it's been around 12,580 crores. Now moving on to Citi's report, well, ETFs have continued to bring inflows so far, but if we see, FIIs have preferred US and global ETFs more than the Indian and Taiwan ETFs. In the week ended 6th of June, which is last week, bond funds saw around 17.8 billion US dollars inflow, and equity funds saw around 10.7 billion US dollars inflow. Now, mostly these inflows were in US and global ETFs, where US inflows were around 7.7 billion dollars, and global ETFs were around 3.6 billion USD. In terms of India and Taiwan, Taiwan saw a larger number of inflows from FIIs. Out of the 10.7 billion, around 1.2 billion US dollars India saw inflows, and Taiwan saw around 3 billion US dollars inflow. In terms of outflow, India saw around 1 billion of outflow, and Taiwan saw around 3.5 billion US dollars of outflow. And in terms of other markets, Europe and Japan funds continue to see more net redemptions. And in terms of China saw 1.1 billion of outflow via Northbound Connect, and Hong Kong saw 4.3 billion buying from China via the Southbound Connect. So this is the overall view of what Citi has to say about various inflows and outflows of ETFs across the globe.